Got fingerprints, smudges, or dust all over your Galaxy A15 screen? In this video, I'll show you how to safely clean your phone screen using WHOOSH Screen Cleaner, trusted by Amazon stores and tech reviewers. All you need is the WHOOSH Screen Shine Spray and the microfiber cloth that comes with it. It's alcohol-free, ammonia-free, and safe for all screens, including your Samsung Galaxy A15. WHOOSH Screen Shine is one of the best-selling screen cleaners on Amazon, trusted by thousands of users, and even used in Apple stores worldwide. This powerful yet gentle formula is alcohol-free, ammonia-free, and 100% safe for all screens, from smartphones and tablets to laptops and TVs. Each kit includes 2 premium microfibers cloth in a convenient travel-size bottle, making it easy to keep your devices spotless wherever you go. Whether you're cleaning your phone, MacBook, or monitor, WHOOSH gets the job done right and fast. Start by turning off your phone. If you're using a case, remove it and make sure your device is placed on a clean, flat surface. Now spray a small amount of WHOOSH onto the microfiber cloth, never directly on the screen. Gently wipe the screen in a circular motion to lift off fingerprints and dirt. Use the dry side of the cloths to buff the screen and remove any streaks. You can also use WHOOSH to clean the back of your phone and camera lenses for a full refresh. Just make sure you're always using the cloth, not spraying directly. And that's it. Your Galaxy A15 screen is now spotless, shiny, and safe from damage.